Oh man, so you guys are not gonna believe this. I mean, I can't. I mean, it is what it is. I was on a pick, and it was really turned out to be a really good pick, and I thought I would do the right thing, and I offered her more money than what we agreed upon, because she was telling me a sob story, and she had her autistic kid, and yeah, so the son decided to load the lawnmower in the car, and look at this. I don't know. Right here. So it is what it is. She tried to give me my money back, and I said no. Kind of explained to her what I do, and don't judge me by the vehicle that I drive. She kind of laughed and kind of went my merry way. So made a couple of phone calls. The cheapest price is like $3.89 through SafeLight. So we're probably just going to get it done. So in the meantime, I guess I'll just be using Mandingo. So I guess today's pick will be going towards the glass fund. I mean, listen, I got $250 for the Toro, not $200 for the Toro, $130 for the lawnmower, and this Troy built with electric start. I'll probably get $150 as it came with the hedge trimmer. But it is what it is. All right, so man, I don't even know what to call this. This ain't a jackpot lot no more. I guess this is the GoFundMe for the rear window. So originally I was going to make really good on this. But after this whole thing where the rear window went down and out, that is not the case anymore. That's okay. You win some, you lose some. Right? So much for just trying to do the right thing. But it is what it is. So anyway, I originally had $80 into this lot. Now because I wanted to pay it forward, I'm into this for $100. So this is in non-running shape. Thing has compression, but I guarantee you it just needs a carburetor clean, which we'll cover. This thing looks brand new, and I guarantee that when I power wash this thing with my Greenworks pressure washer, it's going to come out minty fresh. And it came with the bag or two. So this is $200 all day long. If this was a personal piece, this is a $250 payday. Well, oh well. So listen. So it's for. So now I'm $100. Right, I have $100 into everything. So this, I'll do $100 profit. So now we're down to $200. My window. Now this is a lot that has happened. We have my. Oh, you know what? Let's get this in. Troy built 4-cycle weed whacker with electric start. I also have the electric start for it, and they gave me here's the electric start. And check this out. Ugh. I guess I have to adjust this. So we got my short can, which is spill free and awesome. This lawnmower is going to clean up really nice. You can see it already. So I'm really not upset. I mean, it is what it is. Now, they wanted to give me a siphon kit to suck out the oil, but I didn't want to be bothered with it because I have my kit here. So I wonder Because the blade is in really good shape if you change the oil. Oil is freaking clean. Look at that. Now this is what you rarely see. A machine with service history. When you're buying one of these. So let's prime this thing. Oh, look at here. That's good. Let's see if she runs. First pull and no smoke. All right. The gods are shining upon me. So now we're going to try the Troy belt. Put some gas in this too. Should we use the electric start? Because we have the electric start. I think we might use the electric start. Why not? Let's get some gas in here. So we're going to use the electric start. Alright, so we're going to use the electric start. We have it plugged in. So hopefully, this should work. Should. Let's see. Plug this in. Never done this before. Oh, it's locked. Whoa-ho-ho! Alright, so that's that. So I'm not even going to service anything. I'm just going to clean this all up and put it up for sale and get some money for this windshield. Alright, so we're going to take my Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI pressure washer, which I will be using all summer long. Did a great demo on this. This is definitely a life-changing thing. I am kissing gas goodbye, as always, using our 40-degree tip. I'm going to see how we do. Now we're going to see how nasty this thing really comes out. Well, how good this comes out. Just look again, man. Listen, I can't stress enough. Look how much is bringing this bag back to life. We look clean, dirty. Look at the wheels. I didn't even really apply anything to this. We're just spraying and praying, baby. guys get a good shot of that. Uh-oh, we're rolling. Hopefully it doesn't run away. Remember, usually I soak stuff for cleaner, but I didn't even soak this, so I'm just in one of those moods. I hope you guys understand. The wheel's still spinning, baby. Some spinners, some floaters, whatever you want to call them. And then we'll just hit this Toro real quick. They came out like brand new. Like I said, I didn't even treat any of this stuff, and I probably will later on, but we're just going to clean here because I have to clean the carburetor. Well, I guess you could say, win some, lose some. But, like I said, it is what it is. Oof. Should really get gloves. God damn it. It is what it is. But like I said, remember, we've already been very successful so far this season. So it is what it is. We're in the spring sprint, and I guess this is just the cost of doing business per se, or just running the hustle. So yeah, man, if you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, like, share, subscribe. I'm going to shoot a video on why this thing doesn't start, how we're going to rectify it. Are we going to service this thing? How's the oil? Oil is clean. So we'll just go about sharpening the blade, checking out the air filter, and see you later, love you, bye. So, like I said, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll get updates, cool videos on how-tos, flipping and fixing, and also how to cover this damn thing. So, yeah, man, I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.